Here are 5 simple reasons why you need to learn Spanish. Reason number 1. When you start learning Spanish, you are going to be able to connect with millions of Spanish speakers.
A ver, ¿cómo te sientes al tener colitas?
Siento muy guapa. There are 572 million Spanish speakers in the world. There are so many people who are Spanish speakers that you can meet that you wouldn't be able to meet if you didn't speak Spanish. Think of all the people that could possibly be your new friends, girlfriends, boyfriends, wife, husband. The possibilities are endless.
Number 2, learning Spanish improves your job opportunities and it allows you to work in over 20 different countries.
Yes, or you could also work online like we do and live in a Spanish-speaking country, which are usually cheaper than English-speaking countries.
Reason number 3 is to be able to travel the world. There are 20 countries in the world where Spanish is the official language. Think about the Americas. There are millions of Spanish speakers in the US, in Central America, and South America as well. That's a lot of places that you can travel to and speak Spanish.
And there's some smaller countries too that you might not think of, like Guinea Equatorial, which is in Africa, and Puerto Rico, where we are right now. A small island in the Caribbean full of beaches and mountains and tons of things to do.
It's the coolest feeling when you're in a completely new country, but you can still connect with the people there because you speak Spanish. It's awesome.
Hola! Number 4, you need to learn Spanish so that you can have a more open mind about the world, about travel, about culture, about the people who live in this world. So for example, have you ever tried tepache, tejuino, manzana de coco, tejate? These are just some of the things that you can try from my country, Mexico. And imagine the amount of new things that you can experience when you open up your mind to other cultures.
The last reason number 5, is that speaking Spanish is so much fun. Not only is learning Spanish stimulating for your brain, but it's also so cool to be able to connect with all of these new people.
Only 15 to 20% of people in the United States speak a second language, so pulling out a new language in front of someone who is not expecting it is kind of like a magic trick. It's almost like having a superpower where you can all of a sudden speak with millions of other people just with one new skill.
Spanish is so much fun because it's basically like having a whole new world available to you. I know that it's changed my life for the better, and when you learn Spanish, I guarantee you the same thing is going to happen.
Learning Spanish can open up the number of people you can communicate with, the number of friends you can make, the number of songs you can sing, the number of parties you can go to. So yeah, learning Spanish is fun and it's going to help you have a more interesting life.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to say a big thank you to Jim and Mai from Spanish and Go. Make sure to check out their YouTube channel, Spanish and Go. I've linked it in the description for you to go check out.
Be sure to check us out. We're Spanish and Go, your resource for learning real-world travel Spanish. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to Nate's channel.
Also, leave me a comment about why you want to learn Spanish or why you're learning Spanish.
We hope to see you soon.
Adios.
Hasta luego.